morning student, this is Rahul Sharma, your German teacher. Yes, today we will do chapter first of your book. What was East do in their pause? What do you eat in your break? East is Essen, and you know Essen is to eat. This is the conjugation of Essen, that is east with do, that we have done in 6th class. Verb conjugation of Essen, you all know very well. Still I am writing it again. Essen, ish, esse, do, is, heresy, est, ear, est, wir, sie, Essen. Okay. Was is do in their pause? What you eat in your break? Pause is break. Break, that your lunch time or your fruit break. Was yes. Before starting this chapter, let us revise accusative case. This we also have done in 6th class. They are changed into then in accusative case, and ein will be einen, das will remain das, and here it is ein, die will remain die, and it will be eine, die plural will remain die, and there is no ein in plural. Okay. So rule of accusative case is subject, verb and object. Accusative is subject, verb and object. Those sentences which have subject, verb and object, that will contain accusative. And here are the rules of accusative. Okay. Write it again in your Feyenoord book. Accusative case and the verb conjugation of Essen. Right. Here in your book there is different types of page number 9. On page number 9 there is different types of eating objects, eating things. First, kuchen. Kuchen is cake. Schokoriegel. Schokoriegel is chocolate. As you saw in picture, there is chocolate. Yogurt. Yogurt is yogurt. Apfel, apple. Saft, juice. Banana, banana. Birne, pears. Cola, cold drink. Tafel chocolate. This is chocolate in but the shape of chocolate is a like board. That is Tafel chocolate. Tafel is board, and chocolate is chocolate. Lemonade, lemonade. Käse bread. Käse is cheese, and bread is cheese bread. Schinken bread, chicken bread. Ice, ice cream. Mineral water, mineral water. Stucktorte is pastry or piece of cake. Chips, chips. Noodle, noodle. Nuse, nuts. Kekse, cookies. Okay. Now let us start with an example. I eat a cake. I eat is Essen. Essen की conjugation of Essen with ish is esse. Ish, esse. Einen, kuchen. Why do we use einen here? Because the article of kuchen is there, and in accusative there will be einen, and I ate. I ate a cake. Okay. And this is, let us take one more example. Ich esse eine Birne. Ich esse eine Birne. I eat a pear. Birne is pear. Eine is a. An article of Birne is D. That's why we use D with eine. So here it is eine. And ish. One more example we are doing. Ish esse ein ice. Ice is ice cream. And this is ein is a. Article of ice is das. So it will be ein. Ish esse ein ice. I eat a ice cream. Got it? Here they are the case of accusative case. We all know because there is subject, verb and object are present here. So this is accusative case. And same as in trinke. Everyone knows what is trinke? Trinken is to drink. So ish trinke eine cola. Article of cola is the. That's why we use eine here. You have to learn the article of every object. Kuchen, Berne, ice, cola. You have to learn this page. Here it is article. Eine, it is there. Die, das, and the plural. You have to learn these, all these, and write these on your fair notebook also. Okay, with color. For there, blue coloring of blue color, and for D, blue coloring of orange, and for das, green color. And write it in your fair notebook. Okay. So let us take one more example of trinke. Ish trinke eine cola. I drink a cold drink. Ish trinke ein mineral water. Mineral water is mineral water. Okay. Got it? I ish trinke ein mineral water. I drink a mineral water. Article of mineral water is das. That's why here ein will come. Because with das it is ein in accusative way. Let's do some more examples. Now, like air. What is air? Air is he. We'll do example with air. Air, as with air, east will come. Because the conjugation of SN is air east. Air is einen yogurt. Article of yogurt is there, and they are changed into then and then einen. So he is a yogurt. Let us do it with Z. Z is she. Here S is small, so it is she. Z is einen yogurt. Just do it with the ear. Ear is plural. What is ear? You know very well. Ear is you all or they. Ear, est, E-S-T. Ear, est, einen yogurt. Okay. Same with trinken. You can do this. And let me write verb conjugation of trinken for you. You have done this in 5th class. Verb conjugation of trinken comes in 5th class. Trinken. Trinken is to drink. Ish trinke. Ish trinke. Du drinks. RSG, drink. Ear, drink. Wir, sie, trinken. Yes, write this also in your fair notebook. Okay, make proper index in your notebook, and you know your notebook is of green color that you have in previous class. Okay, write all these in your fair notebook, and your homework is write and learn the articles of all eatable items. Page number 9. Okay, that's it. That's enough for today. We will continue this chapter next topic, next lecture. Okay, thank you.